This is my first sunrise on my way home. It's a brisk 30-something degrees, 34. I can't see, the sun's in my eyes. It's cold. Not so cold that I broke out the heated gear, but I did get my my coat that I wear over my riding gear. People always see me in that coat and go, man, you need to get riding gear. And I'm like, I wear my riding gear under it. It's just that I'm plump, fluffy, large, a huge fat ass. So I need to, I can't find stuff that really fits me the way I want it to. So I found that nice vest jacket with has all the armor in it. And then I have different jackets that I wear over it. That I can easily find bigger, like, raincoats, but not riding gear. So I got myself this off of Amazon for like $30 on clearance, and it's like a 6X, something ridiculous, but it fits over any gear that I have on. So on trips like this, instead of having 5 different jackets, this is basically nothing more than a fleece-lined windbreaker in a large size, and it so does the job. And it seals up nice against the helmet too, so I don't know if you can notice, but there should be like maybe a little less wind noise today. Well, this isn't everybody's cup of tea, but America's Loneliest Road I find very appealing. The sunrise through these little valleys is beautiful. It's like a painting. You know, the desert isn't for everybody. But I do love the high desert and the endless straightaways, and just it makes you feel small. And anything that makes me feel small is a good thing, because I'm fucking huge. But look at this beautiful, beautiful view. I'm doing a time lapse of this whole section on the GoPro up in front, so hopefully it'll come out good. But this is it's funny, it's so enjoyable to be in, but I imagine it'd be so boring to watch, so I have to find some way to make this as beautiful as it is. And I feel that my skills just aren't there to do that. Yeah, look at that. Away from the things of man.
That looks like fun.
It is.
You warm enough?
Yeah, I'm good.
How far are you going?
Pennsylvania.
You gotta get there by 5?
6. I'll be good. Well, ain't that pretty? I can't look now because I need to look through the turn, so I don't know if you can still see it, but it's a pretty mountain. And now I know why they call it America the Beautiful, because it sure isn't about the people. Twisties. When I think about the fact that I could be on 81, I'm sorry, on Interstate 80 going straight across the flyover states, and I'm not, well, I'm not brokenhearted about it. If I miss my appointment, I miss my appointment. Shite. I'm having too good of a time. And I'm gonna save my tires. At this rate, they won't be flat when I get home. Oh, run a little wide. So, I never got to go to Bonneville, but I just found a salt lake right here on the left, and I took a road down there, and there were a lot of hard, dry spots, and I thought, maybe I'll go do it. And then the realization came to me that there were a lot of ruts that were really looked like people got stuck. And I walked out, and it was soft, and I'm alone and nobody knows where I am, and you know, common sense kicked in, and I just kind of went, Plus it was a no-fly zone, because it's all about getting drone footage. Anyway, I didn't do anything. I took a few pictures. I peed, and I went, maybe next time. I am still on the same straightaway. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but it's already been 25 miles since I turned the camera off, and now I'm still looking at a straightaway that goes on for as far as the eye can see. And I'm not a flat earther, but right now it feels pretty flat to me.